fellow lockpickers, and welcome to today's video. As you can see, got a couple of kryptonites here. Got one from my lovely wife, and it was so cool. She actually brought me another one, but only after I buggered the lock up a bit. But yeah, fixed it. So now I've got two cool kryptonites to play with. So let's see what it takes to get in these. These are removable cores, which is pretty cool. So you can repin it to how you want it. And you need to get these just right. Or you overset yourself, because all the key pins are serrated, and I'm sure each one of these has 5 spools and one standard driver. And they weigh a ton. This one's not giving me much feedback. Oh, there we go, we've got a bit of a deep bus set there. Let's go spool. Spool, and we're open. Lovely big clunk on that. This is the newer one that I got the other day. Same sort of principle. Listening out for the clicks and the feedback we get from them. I overset that already. Let's see. Stomach gurgling away. I think it's time for breakfast. There we go. See this one? I can open that all the way and no clunk. I have to give it a pull, so I think I should be stripping this one down and having a look at what I can do to make this easier. Let me pause this. I'll find a screwdriver and we'll pull this to bits. Bear with me. Right, I'm back. I've got the screwdriver. So let's have a look. So we can strip the core out of this. Get the screwdriver in it. Pretty sure they got Loctite or something on them. Alright, there we go. So we can drop everything out of here. So we shall have a look at the insides. Right, should have planned ahead. Is this the key for that one? Yes, that is lucky. Right, let's get that clip off the back. I'm going to use some of that get in there. Bear with. As if by magic, I found it. Right. Oh. Right. And leave one of them. And what I have found, if you chuck a shim in, this one's a bit cream crackered, not very well prepared today. chuck that in there, is out of the old disc detainer sets, the wheels you get from there, slide in there just nicely. So let's have a look. And this one, if we can get it to focus, see, these only just needed touching to get in. So what we got, there's only really like 3 pins that you had to pick. So let's just drop them out. Right, so we have flying pins. Bugger. Alright, I'll shook them up. Oh well, we'll get that sorted. Right, let's have a look in the top. So, standard in 1. Spool in 2. Spool in 3. Spool in 4. Spool in 5. Surprise, surprise. Spool in 6. So let's get these all lined up. Make sure I get them orientated right when I put it back in my lock, so I've got a working lock. I don't think there's anything done in there. Doesn't seem to be any threading. So yeah, let's just get you panned down a bit and you can have a little look. So yeah, they're the little goodies that you get inside the Kryptonite. So anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you again soon. Bye. Yeah, quick afterthought. I just thought I'd check the core, and it doesn't really look like it's threaded. It's really, really fine threading in here. Oh, I say it's not going to pick it up on camera, but if it's not intentional, then yeah, it actually does the trick with the serrated pins. But yeah, it's very, very fine kind of threading inside there. So yeah, another little thing I just thought I'd show you.